How do I apply for a national ID number if I don't have one?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to walk through a crucial aspect of personal identification: how to apply for your national ID number if you don't already have one. This number is a key piece of information that enables you to access numerous governmental and societal services, so it's important to understand how to obtain it.
What is a national ID number?
A national ID number, also known as a national identification number, personal identification number, or government identification number, is a unique number issued by the government to every citizen and permanent resident of a country. This number is used to keep track of each person for Social Security, tax, and other purposes.
What do you need to apply for a national ID number?
Before applying for a national ID number, you will need to gather some key documents. 1. Proof of identity. This could be a birth certificate, passport, or driver's license. 2. Proof of residence. This could include a utility bill, rental agreement, or any official document showing your current address. 3. Citizenship documentation. This might be a naturalization certificate, a citizenship certificate, or your birth certificate if you were born in the country. Remember, requirements may vary by country, so it's important to check with your local or national government office.
How do you apply for a national ID number?
Now that you've gathered your necessary documents, here are the general steps to apply. 1. Visit your local government office. This could be a city hall, post office, or other designated locations. 2. Request an application form for a national ID number. Fill out this form completely and accurately. 3. Submit your form and necessary documents. Be prepared to show your original documents and potentially provide copies. 4. Wait for processing. Processing times can vary, so you might have to wait a few weeks or even months. In some countries, you might be able to apply online. Always check with your local government office for the most accurate information. And that wraps up our guide on how to apply for a national ID number. Remember, it's a crucial step in establishing your personal identity in your country and accessing necessary services, so make sure you apply if you don't already have one. I hope this video has been informative and helps you navigate through the process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to apply responsibly.